Yeah, so we here now, man. I'm just waiting. Yeah, just waiting. No, it's pretty annoying, but only thing I could do is heed my time and do what's required. I'm letting the energy build up. Give me 1 second. Oh, all right. So now we're done. I'm about to park and go to bed. woke up, you know what I mean? Woke up, brushed the teeth. And now I'm about to go use the restroom. Luckily, there's a building over there, but yeah, I slept all right. I didn't get that much sleep. It feels weird coming back off of home time. Not weird. It's just I'm getting accustomed to this again, where I'm being woken up periodically every hour on the clock. Like when I was getting unloaded, I had to wait on them. I had to wait until a certain time before I can even go in there and give them the paperwork. So I had to set an alarm for that. Boom. Then after I did that, they sent me a text message. I have to be watching for the text capstone, so that way I have to pay this lumper fee so I can get unloaded. So that happened. And then they didn't call me. Like, they didn't call me to tell me my paperwork is ready. I had to call them. So it's like I had to just be on it. And I'm not really a night shift person, but I'll do it. I'll do what's required. But yeah, once it get past a certain point in time, it don't matter if I didn't get that much sleep. I'm not gonna get in a deep sleep. That's how it feels. But maybe I'm speaking that now. I'm gonna get a good sleep regardless. But that's how typically it's been for me. So I got about 5 hours, I believe. About 5. But it's like 1 hour, wake up. 2 hour, wake up. It's like that. It's not a consecutive. Well, I had a consecutive about 4 hours, but collectively I probably had, let me say 5 hours 30 minutes. Yeah, that's what I'll say. Yeah, we about to go to the next stop. This place had 3 stops. If I told you guys that I had it got pushed back because the people didn't give me the paperwork, so I had to wait another day. But yeah, we headed to the next spot. It's in Alabama. It's 300 miles away. So yeah, that's what we about to do. Yeah, man, we pulled over on the side of the road. Let me show y'all. As you can see, pulled over side of the road. It's time to eat some food. I'm kind of hungry. I put some stuff on the air fryer while I was driving, but I drove for 40 minutes. It was sitting in the air fryer, but it's warm. So I'm about to make a sandwich. Got the Dave's Killer Bread. This bread is so good and nutritious, man. And it got high protein too. Got this Beyond patty. Boom. I'm a simple guy, Just give me the bread, give me the patty, and give me the sauce. That's it. Give me the Stubbs barbecue sauce. I gotta get some more. I'm running out. But I'm simple. You know what I mean? Put that on. Probably can't see. Yeah. Voila. Sandwich. Yeah, this barbecue sauce about done. I'm about to throw it away. We about to eat our food real quick. About 5 minutes to eat this, then we back on road. That's efficient trucking. Being effective and efficient with your time. And you eating good too. But I'm gonna talk to y'all. Yeah, so we about to start driving. It's like what? Let's see the phone. It's like 12:09. I gotta be at this appointment. Its appointment time is for 3 a.m. But I want to get there a little early, see if they'll let me park there. It says in the notes I could park, but I called, no one answered, so I parked just to be on the safe side. Now I'm about to head out, but yeah, I'm about to go use the restroom. You know, see what they got inside, see if I need something. Alright, I got 1/4. I should be good. Let's see what they got in here. Nope, nope. I already got water, so I really don't even need nothing there. I guess I just wanted to come on my alarm. Huh. Huh. Yeah, ain't nothing in here, so I'm gonna just head out. Well, I gotta use the restroom. So, yeah. Give me 1 second. I gotta pull in over here. Mind to give them the paperwork? Come. I'm coming. I'm just getting my paperwork.